Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies advertisements from the multiple colleges like the arts and commerce and science colleges and the degree colleges as well as the engineering and the technology colleges. And here the opportunities are there for the only postgraduates as well as the PhD candidates also. And a few colleges are mentioning the UGC 7th pay scale, and there is no need of paying the any type of application fee for applying for these positions. Okay, and I am requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of faculty job notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And after watching this video, if your subjects are not covered, then please mention your subjects in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your requirement, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And to get my next video as a notification, then you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the different colleges recruitment advertisements. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science examination in the month of October 2021. Here the Unacademy is providing the paper 1 and paper 2 complete course as well as the MCQ course and the class PDFs you can download, test series and the doubt clearing sessions. Okay, so you may take the subscription plan. That the link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. And you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. And if you want to contact me personally regarding this one, in the description box the Telegram link is also kept, so you may find out, guys. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is the first college we are going to see here. It is the Yashwantrao Memorial College of Arts, Commerce and Science. So from Nagpur. Here the walk-in interview is announced on 9th October 2021. So for contributory lecturer, grant in 8 subjects. Okay, and interviews for the post of contributory lecturers on purely clock hour basis for the session 2021 to 22 will be held on the 9th October 2021. And coming to the subjects here, Marathi and Marathi literature, 2 vacancies are there, and the timing is morning 11 o'clock on 9th October. And coming to the English literature and sociology, timing is 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock on the 9th October itself. Qualification, the remuneration, net or set or PhD must be there, and as per the laid norms by UGC, Government of Maharashtra. Attend the personal interview at your own cost along with the originals and 2 sets of Xerox copies of your documents. And coming to the second college is Taude College, Koradi. So from this one, it is also from Nagpur. Here the contact number as well as mail ID is also there. So if you are having any queries regarding this recruitment notification, then you can contact them or else approach them. Okay. And applications are invited for the following non-grant vacant positions in the subjects of botany, zoology, computer science, political science. And for each and every subject, 1 vacancy is there, and these are the assistant professor vacancies under the unreserved category. And the application form should reach the undersigned within 15 days from this advertisement along with the copies of all relevant documents. And the details regarding to the pay scale, qualification, experience, etc., all these things you will get in the university web portal. Here the website is also given here, or else the college website, tckoradi.com. Okay, so you have to visit this official website and then find out the details regarding the pay scales, qualification, and experience, etc. And candidates are required to submit the 2 passport size color photographs along with the application. Okay, and this notification released on 30th September 2021. So up to 15th October you are having the time. So please have a look on this one, guys. And coming to the next one is Vasundhara group of colleges. So it requires lecturers, intermediate level, commerce, economics, civics, mathematics, physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, Sanskrit, English, Hindi and Telugu. So these subjects are required in the intermediate level. And coming to the degree level, mathematics, computer science, commerce, accounts, management, physics, electronics, statistics, microbiology, chemistry, nutrition, English, Sanskrit, Hindi, Telugu, soft skills and placement officer. And PG level subjects, computer science, and the non-teaching vacancies are also there. Clerks, lab assistants, receptionists, physical director, librarians, accountants and computer operators. Experience is preferable, and even though if you are a fresher also no problem, guys. And the qualification is PG in the concerned subject with minimum 55% of thing is required, and the interested candidates may apply within a week along with all the Xerox copies of certificates and passport size photo to any one of the branch. Here the 3 branches are mentioned as well as the contact numbers are also there. So please note down all these what we call address of the 3 branches. So Vasundhara Women's Junior and Degree College, Vasundhara Junior Degree and PG College, Co-ed, Vasundhara Junior and Degree College. So if you are not feeling comfortable here the addresses, then please type this Vasundhara Women's and Junior Degree College and PG College in the Google. Okay, then you will get the perfect address including the pin code. Okay, so you have to send the hard copy to this any one of this address, guys. Okay, so I think it will be the wonderful opportunity. Why? Because with only post graduation you can apply for this one. Even though if you are a fresher, then no problem, guys, you can apply. Okay, and coming to the next one is just wait a minute, Bharati Dasan Institute of Management from Tiruchirappalli. So here applications are invited for the following positions: assistant or associate professor. The 7th pay scale you will get in the marketing, operations, analytics, finance areas from top 15 NIRF ranked institutions. And apart from this one, the non-teaching vacancies are also there: admissions officer, placement officer, academic officer, accounts officer, administrative officer, and HR officer. Okay, and for more details you may visit the official website of this college, that is bim.edu index careers, and you have to apply to the recruitment@bim.edu. The last date for application is the 15th October 2021. So it's better that once again, once you visit the official website, whatever the link provided here, then you will get the complete details and how to apply. And coming to the next colleges is the World College of Technology and Management from Gurgaon. So here the contact number as well as the mail IDs are also provided. So invites applications for the following posts on regular basis. So director or principal, 1 vacancy; professor, associate professor, and assistant professor, each and every department 6 vacancies are there. So computers, artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science, computer science, mechanical, civil, mechanical and automation, robotics, mathematics, physics, chemistry, English, and 12 vacancies in BCA, MCA, BBA or MBA. And the registrar, 1 vacancy; training and placement officer, 1 vacancy. Coming to the non-teaching positions: library 1, administrative officer 1, technical assistant 1, lab technician 8, data entry operator 5, lab attendant 10, clerk cum typist 5, library attendant 3, and Safai 5, Mali 4, and Pune 4. Qualifications and pay scales, each and everything as per the ACT, UGC or MDU norms. And the qualifications for the post of assistant professor in BBA, BCA, MBA, MCA and librarian is NET or PhD is required. But for the engineering departments, only post graduation is enough. Okay. And whoever the interested candidates are there, you may apply within 21 days from the date of publication of advertisement, along with the copy of all testimonials through registered post or email or by hand at above address. A copy of application form must be sent to DCDCMDU. Post can be increased or decreased at the time of interview as per the requirements. Fine. So total these are the different recruitment notifications, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I think most of the subjects are covered here. So but if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subject in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification regarding your subject, then definitely I will come up in the next video, just like this video. Okay, and to get my next video as a notifications to your mobile phone, you have to subscribe this channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one advertisement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video, or else you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay,